Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily comment anonymously on any Facebook post. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Facebook application, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then go to groups option and choose any one of the group in which you want to comment anonymously. Now, if I open this comment, you can see there's no option to post anonymous comment. So it depends upon the privacy of the post. You can go to any other group or any other post. Simply if you go to any other post which is anonymously posted, there you will be automatically provided with the option. But here, as you can see in this group, I go to the comment section of this post. Beside the comment, I can see two options. Comment as my own account's name or comment anonymously. So I choose the second option. And that's it. Now you can post anonymously on any Facebook post. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.